Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to create a survey form using a Google form. So let's start. First of all, write a Google form and click on the site, the first one, this one, and a link will be open. This will be open. So here you have to click on this one, go to the Google Forms. After that, another site will be open and it will be like this. So these are the Google Forms. Some are available already, like templates are available, which are already made by some peoples, and other companies or anyone have made those. We can use this also, and we can use a way start a new one. And I will show you how to create a survey form. Here I have create one. It's about party invite. So look, have a look. You can use this, like it's a party. What's your name? Are you attending? How many of you are attending? What will you bring? And do you have any allergy or restrictions? What is your email address? And we can use questions. We can import questions from somewhere. We can you add some titles, description. We can add image. We can also add a video, and we can break the sections. We can also change the themes. Here we can upload an image. There I have put a party image, colors. We can also change its colors. Different colors are available. So this is the way you can create form. Questionnaires are created by this method. Also polls are made it. Many people use it. Researchers use this. So here once I have one I have made it, and one response I have fill it up to show you that how it response are come. You can see all your responses, and you can make a spreadsheet, also Google spreadsheet, where all the details will be combined, and you can see what responses, what names, all the details were mentioned in the sheet. And here you can individually see the questions, and you can see individual remark. And if there are many responses, then it shows some graphics detail also. Like I can share some a little bit, but I don't have any form which I have shared with many responses. So dear, you people can use a Google form to make a survey form and share it. Yes, I also share it, that how you can share it with other. Yes, you can send it through mail either, or you can copy the link and share with your friends to fill this survey forms, and all those responses are collected here. So guys, you can make a survey form at yourself. It's really simple. Hope you all people like this. Thank you. Do subscribe and share my channel. Have a great time.